Good morning. MD, good morning. I need S. Good morning, everyone. Hi, boy. Hakimi from Malaysia, hello. You can send me message, guys, if you want to do private. Hi, Sha from Malaysia. Atawet from Thailand, hello. I want to go to Thailand, guys, badly. I want to go. Papi Yoshi, hi, Yoshi. Daddy Ash from Malaysia, hello po. Good morning. Hi, Mike. Ted Moshi, hello po. Guys, send your WhatsApp number to me if you want to do private with me. I can't message you guys. So you send me your WhatsApp number so I can message you. Hi, Mr. James. Hi, Jazz, Manix, Blake, hello po. Follow me, guys. You can send me your WhatsApp number if you want to do private with me. MJ, good morning. Follow me, guys. Good morning po sa inyo. Mysterious Man, Naj, hello po. Good morning. Hi, Mr. Naj from Australia. Welcome to my live, sir. Supremo from Pampanga, hello po. Alex, hello. Good morning. Follow me, guys. You can send your WhatsApp number to me if you want to do private with me. Good morning. YL, hello po. Where are you from, YL? 27 years old, hello. Guys, if you want to do private with me, Spider, hello po from Cebu. If you want to do private with me, love mo, send your WhatsApp number to me, guys, because my message section is not working. Ano to, Meng? Hi, Mr. Meng. Hindi nagana yung message section ko. Pasero, hello po. You need to message me your WhatsApp number, guys, para ma-message ko kayo. Extra fingers, hello po. Send your WhatsApp number to me, guys, para ma-message ko kayo if you want to do private with me. Sabak dareri. Good morning, Wankel. Hi, Mr. Wankel. Hi, Mr. John. Dali, guys. Baka gusto nyo. Message kayo sa akin, guys. Send nyo yung WhatsApp nyo or your Telegram nyo. Ako po ang magme-message sa inyo, guys. Kangaroo ID number, hello po. Shout out. Send your WhatsApp number to me, guys. We can do the private if you want to. Patrick Starfish, Langkawi. Where's that? What country is that? Guys, dali na. Julia. Dami gumagaya sa ano ko. Banana Crabman, hello po, shout out. Kyle Reyes, hello. Guys, you can send your WhatsApp number to me if you want to do private with me. Hi, Tom. Follow me, guys. Send me your WhatsApp number if you want to do private with me. Hi, guys. Hi, Stan. Hello po from Batangas. Hello, Shawi. Welcome to my live, guys. Follow me, guys, if you want to do private with me. Just send your WhatsApp number to me. I will add you guys. Shonek, hello po. Good morning. Escobar, hello po. Saan ka nag-chat, Beb? Dalina. MD, hello po. Rico Suave. Hi, Mr. Rico Suave. Follow me, guys. Send your WhatsApp number to me. Tap-tap mo muna yung screen ko. Bibigyan kitang free video, Charo. Dali na, guys. Follow nyo na ako. Mr. Pleasure, hello po. Shout out. You can send your WhatsApp number to me, guys. I can message you. John John. Hi, Mr. John John. Where are you from, Mr. John John? You're from Singapore? Am I right? Or are you Pinoy? I do private. Maybe you want to do private with me. Coco. Hi, Mr. Coco. You can send your WhatsApp number to me. You can send your number to me. Nabubulol ako. You can send your WhatsApp number to me. I'll message you for private if you want to do private with me. Nabubulol ako, guys. I think deserve ko na magpa-block ng hair, right? John, John, send your WhatsApp number to me if you want to do private with me. I don't know if you're from other country or from Philippines. Are you from Philippines or from other country? You can message me now, guys, your WhatsApp number. Follow nyo muna ako. Dali, guys. Saglit lang ako magla-live tapos magme-message na ako sa inyo sa WhatsApp. Ramen. Hi, Mr. Ramen. Send your WhatsApp number to me, guys, if you want to do private with me. MRD. Hi, Mr. MRD from Japan. Hello, Shawi. Welcome to my live, guys. Handsome, Nat. Hello po. Guys, you better send me your number kasi po hindi po ako maka-reply sa message. Hindi ko po mabibigay sa inyo yung number ko. MRD, hello. Send your WhatsApp number to me if you want to do private with me. Dali, guys, message nyo na ako. Message nyo na ako for private. Guys, if ever na meron mag-message sa inyo ng ibang account, hindi po sa akin yan. Ito lang yung account ko, guys, okay? Be careful po. Ito lang po yung account ko. Wala po akong ibang account. Hi, Jim. Troy, hello po. Shout out. Mooncake. MRD, send your WhatsApp number to me. If you want to do private with me. Bien. Hi, Mr. Bien. Send your WhatsApp number to me. Dali, guys, mag-e-end na ako. Maaga lang po ako mag-e-end ng live ngayon. Follow me po. Follow me, guys. Dali, guys. Help me to reach 1 star. Let's do private. Send your WhatsApp number to me, guys, if you want to do private with me. Wala ka namang sending kid kulapo eh. Wala ka ring message. Niloloko mo ako. Gusto mo lang na follow back eh. MD, hello po. Good morning. Mr. Paul, hello. Mooncake, hello. Follow me po. Edwin Off, hello. Shout out. Welcome to my live, everyone. Guys, Dalina, let's do private. Nag-chat ulit. Wala naman, bebe. Niloloko mo lang ako. Wala ko nakikita ang chat mo. Aski, hello po. Longan Pro, hello. From Singapore, hello. Welcome to my live, sir, from Singapore. If you want to do private with me, you can send your WhatsApp number to me, sir. I can message you. Send your WhatsApp number to me, sir. I'll message you if you want. I've been in Singapore last July. Well, I'm so sad because I don't know someone in Singapore last time when I came to Singapore. But now I have friends now in Singapore from Bicol. Maybe soon if I'll go there, I'll meet you guys. Bold Leslie, I think by next month I'll be in Singapore again. Bold Leslie, hello, shall we? You look so sexy. Thank you, Longan. Send your WhatsApp number to me. Message me your WhatsApp number. I'll message you. ID number, hello, shall we? Welcome to my live. Mr. Dance. Hi, Rare. OJ. 683 Mark, hello po. Chongo, hello po, shall we? Welcome to my live. Harana, good morning. Follow me, guys. You look so hot. Thank you, Long and Pro. You need to send me your WhatsApp number because I can't message you. I can't reply. I can only message in WhatsApp. So you need to send me your number. Send your number to me, babe. I'll message you in WhatsApp. Dali, guys. Turn around, let me see from the back. Gonna like that. Nicholas Lupin, hello po. Send your number to me, guys. Let's do the private. Yeah, Longan, drop your telegram. Hi, Mr. G. Carlo 11. I can't message. Drop your TG, babe. Message me your telegram, guys. I will end live now. Hit hard, hello po, shall we? Message me, guys. Hindi na talaga ako makaka-reply. I can't reply. You message me your account, guys. I'll be the one to message you. Bye-bye, everyone. Guys, message me now for your private. Roar, hello po, shall we? Welcome to my live. Follow me, guys. Send your WhatsApp number